Guys, imagine turning any voice clip, photo, or random video into a perfectly lip-synced talking character in just seconds. Well, that's exactly what this new platform does. It's called lipsync.video, and it's probably one of the most entertaining AI tools I've tested recently.
It's web-based, super easy to use, and as of now,
completely free to try. Let's see what it can actually do.
Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. Let's start with the main feature, AI lip sync. All you need is a short video clip and any voice. It could be your own recording, an AI generated voice, or even a famous quote. Upload both, and the platform automatically syncs the lips to the voice with realistic motion and timing.
What's amazing is how fast it renders. No software, no editing, no setup. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok skits, or comedy parodies.
You can literally make your favorite character or actor say anything you want. Now, what if you don't have a video? That's where Talking Photo comes in. You just upload a single image. It could be a selfie, a historical portrait, a meme, or even a drawing. And in seconds, the platform makes it talk. Next up, one of my favorites, AI Baby Podcast. This one lets you turn baby photos into talking, expressive characters. Imagine 2 babies debating who should host the next podcast episode. It's pure social media gold.
People love this format because it's both cute and funny, and these videos go viral all the time on TikTok and Instagram.
And the best part, you don't need any animation skills at all.
If you want to go wild, lipsync.video also has AI pet lip sync. Yes, you can literally make your dog or cat talk. Just upload a photo and pick a voice. It's perfect for meme creators and pet influencers.
There's also AI cartoon lip sync, which works great for stylized or anime-like characters.
Basically, whatever idea you have, there's a tool here that can bring it to life. Let's take a quick look inside the platform. You can choose from multiple voices, male, female, child, even celebrity-inspired tones, or upload your own. There's also an AI script generator that can instantly write dialogue for you based on your topic and tone. Funny, dramatic, emotional, you name it. You can even toggle subtitles, choose different lip sync models, and get faster or higher quality output depending on what you need. Everything happens in your browser, no installation or login required. This isn't just for fun. Creators are already using lip-sync.video in a variety of creative and practical ways. Many use it to make short skits or parody news clips, while others create educational explainers featuring talking characters. It's also becoming a favorite among social media creators who want to produce engaging content up to 10 times faster. Some even use it to localize their videos with new voices and languages. In short, whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or a meme creator, lipsync.video helps you craft captivating videos effortlessly with zero need for manual editing. So if you've ever wanted to make your photo talk, turn your dog into a podcast host, or lip sync your favorite movie lines, this is your moment. Try it right now at lipsync.video. It's free to start, completely web-based, and honestly, one of the most creative AI tools I've seen this month. I'll leave the link in the description, so go test it and share your funniest creation with me in the comments. Who knows, maybe I'll feature your clip in the next video.